So yeah, today is quite an exciting day for us. We've had the SM line delivered from Europlacer. We acquired Cursey Technology just over 12 months ago, and we knew pretty much from the start that there was some investment required into the business. So we looked into this for some time. Back in October last year, we looked at a vast number of various pieces of kit from different manufacturers, made a decision late last year.
So previously we ran two older lines. We're now able to increase our efficiency and our output with one single line, reduce our number of operators. So currently we're running at sort of 5 to 6 times the run rate that we were running with two lines on one line, one operator. So really, really good news for the company.
It's a massive learning curve for all of us. The speed of the line is immense from our previous product lines. There's one particular board that we have measured, which would have taken if I used a number of, let's say, 500 boards on our old line, it could have taken a number of days, possibly sort of a week, whereas now on the new line, we're talking hours.
Personally, for me, from the position I'm in, it's a lot easier to manage planning and company. We've sort of increased our job run rates from what they were to now sort of double each job run, reduced time by sort of 50 to 75%. So we're now working from surface by circa 3 weeks further forwards. So we're finding that we're able to more reliably support our customers and sort of plan in the harder levels of jobs much, much easier.
It was pretty clear to us early on what Paul was trying to achieve with the investment, which was to create greater flexibility across their existing range of customers or existing work that they're handling for those customers, but also give them capacity to take on more work and more disparate designs that they were able to accomplish with the equipment, aging equipment that they had in the business already.
Yeah, so we're in the process of that now. One, talking with our existing customers, and two, talking with new customers, not just on EV alone, but on many other product lines and different industries as well. So because of the speed of the process, it is going to help us immensely moving forward with more opportunities, greater opportunities.